Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to organize team tasks with Wrike. First, start by signing up your account. Now, set your workspace and invite members by sending invitations. You can break down complex tasks into subtasks to manage detailed work more effectively. Assign tasks with deadlines to the appropriate team members to clarify individual responsibilities and keep everyone aligned. Then, improve team communication by using built-in tools to complete on task, mention colleges for updates, and exchange files directly. Centralize all project information and use Wrike's automation capabilities to reduce manual work and boost efficiency. Next, set up custom rules that auto-assign tasks and change their status based on workflow triggers. Wrike works smoothly with tools such as Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams for easy connectivity. These integrations help unify your toolset, supporting a seamless and organized team workflows. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.